Is Misha Rick Rennie. I'm Rick Rennie. Hamia Furach an an Ballyvulin Campsie. Hamia Furach Colony Moven. We have been married for more than 50 years. I took my first Gaelic class about 1969, but I didn't get very far. Then I had a spell learning the language in the 80s. It wasn't until I retired from my job in the Scottish Court Service about 15 years ago that I really started learning the language. Stallam a bhí a cosisic. I'm lucky that there are lots of nice walks and spots where I live. I've been learning Gaelic for a long time, but enjoy learning in general. Bimi ayanu Corsican Airline. So far, I've completed courses on various topics from the American South to the history of Israel to economics. I also have an interest in Gaelic prose and drama and an interest in the writer, poet and minister Norman MacLeod. He was a minister at this church in Lennoxtown, not far from my home. Norman was known as Carrigenan Gael, friend of the Gaels. In the 19th century, he did a lot of work promoting Gaelic and supporting welfare in Scotland. Finding out more about him has inspired me as I continue on my own Gaelic learning journey.